Hello, how are you? Kumusta ang lahat? Guys, magmukbang ako guys. See, because I received Barrio Pesta Bagoong. Thank you, Ramis and Bella. Ramis bring this one he give me. Now, this is shrimp. You saw this one guys, it's so yummy. Almost decay. I did not try. Now, I do a mukbang for this. Together with tomato and onion. And then, you can mix tomato and onion only. And then, you can take the small one for this. And then, here you go. And you can mix it. I mix only slice with the cubes, the onion and tomato or kamatis. And then mix it with small vinegar and chili. Oh my god, this is guys, and then plus rice. See, look, my food guys. Even this one, no need kari-kari. Oh my god, this is my favorite. No need kari-kari and this. Eat rice, agay. And then plus this.
There's some for Sophia. The for Sophia is you, mommy. This for Sophia, mommy, and daddy.
Kain tayo. Let's eat all. Oh my God. Before 2023 finish, I need to mukbang for this. See, almost with guys.
Mommy,
I try already, but spicy, little spicy, but it's okay.
mommy, why am I
Just one. Just eat and with chili this.
No.
My gulay.
My goodness.
Like I can eat also oink oink. You know oink oink? Masarap pa sa oink oink to. Yum yum. Ang sarap. Super yummy. Mukbang with bagoong. Ginisang bagoong. Barrio Pesta. Baka naman dyan. Sponsor mo ako. Char. Guys, ito lang. No problema. Kamatis, onions, the shrimp with vinegar. Put in the rice. And then, happy tummy. Palami. Lami kayo. Kung lechon at saka ito, ay nako, ito na pipiliin ko guys. Grabe ka spicy, very spicy. I put one chili. Oh my god, very spicy. Yummy. This is the best ever. If this one only I have now, no kari-kari, no tarkali, I can satisfy, happy. So delicious. Sa Bisaya ta kalami ba, oy? Lami kaayo day, mga inday, mga madam sir, lami ani oy. Dili makabaylo sa laing pagkaon ba? Para nako ha. Dili maka-exchange sa laing na pagkaon. Bella, ang rami shout out. Thank you so much. Happy tummy na naman si Inday. Thank you so much, Bella and Ramis. Look, nagmukbang na naman ako, Bella and Ramis, oh. Salamat, Ramis. Thank you for giving me this one. Bagoong.
Mommy. Inside, inside.
1 minute. Bella and Ramis, thank you so much for the pasalubong. I have also this. And then jelly also. I have. I don't know where my baby kept. She told that, Mommy, you just make it the ton. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Be safe, be happy, and enjoy your life. Love you. Thank you so much for watching. Kain tayo!